Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So yes guys, the title says it all. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat in a day at a hotel. So pretty much we are now ready to go to breakfast. So I'm going to be showing you guys, or try to see if I can show you guys what I eat for the entire day. So yes, I'll try to explain everything pretty much, even what I'm drinking. So you know, it's an all-inclusive hotel. I'm at Sea Garden, and I think I'm gonna be also doing like the tour maybe of the hotel and probably like the room. I've been here before, so if I don't do like the full tour, I like link the other video where I did parts of it as well. So yes, I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and without further ado, let us get into it. Okay, so for breakfast I'm having boiled eggs, some potato, ackee, nuggets, plantain, and bread with some butter. I'm having some coffee. So and the omelette is right behind. Yes, and omelets. This is mine. Thank you. And we got some omelets and some pineapples. So yes, that's what I'm eating for breakfast. Guys, so I'm drinking a daiquiri. We actually can't want to if somebody doesn't know it, so I'm drinking two daiquiris right now. So we're drinking daiquiri. I also tried the mango one, the mango. No, it's a pina colada. That's a mango daiquiri. My favorite drink actually. It and then the strawberry. Alright guys, so we're having, I don't know if for lunch or brunch, this something. I'm eating grilled cheese, fries. I took the burger without the burger meat with some cheese, and I took some sausage. So this is what I'm eating, and I'm gonna drink a Pepsi or something else. I don't know what else it is. Anyways guys, this is not my favorite, but anyways, we have some fish, we got steak, we got some pork, chicken, and lots of rolls, and this is dessert. Not sure I'm gonna drink as it.